represent your profession well. Your car is very detailed. I appreciate it.
What's up, guys? It's not against the law for police to ask you invasive questions. You just don't have to answer them. Many times cops will try to trick you or coerce you into thinking you'll go to jail if you don't just comply. If you don't know your rights, you're going to find yourself walking to jail with your lips instead of your feet. Many times the people get it wrong. A cop will ask, "What's your name?" And immediately someone says, "You're violating my rights." No, they're not, folks. They might be trying to, but as long as you know what your natural rights are, sprinkled with some knowledge of the Constitution, I think you'll be just fine. If you decide to get out there and record police, you don't have to do dumb shit like this. Alright folks, let's check out this video to see what we can learn from it. Original channel link will be in the description as always. Let's get right to it.
Ask him again.
I mean, shit.
Ask him again, bro.
It don't matter. I mean, if that'll make you feel more comfortable.
Like I said, I ask everybody on a traffic stop.
This is traffic
It's
stop?
completely up to you.
Is this a traffic stop?
Yes, sir. I've already explained it to you.
I just want to know on the camera.
Man,
Yeah, because this is crazy.
Care, man, but it ain't nothing in here.
So you don't care if I took a quick look around, then just go ahead.
No.
Just do me a favor, just walk back to the front of my vehicle. I'm gonna take a quick look around.
He just said he stepped out.
I'm telling you to stay right here.
Bro, oh man.
I appreciate it.
Sit down. You need to face away from me, alright? Face away from me. You got anyone funny? What's up back in front of my car?
I thought y'all was checking the car, not me. I thought, no, y'all said y'all was checking the car. You ain't checking me. I ain't got nothing.
It's in your hoodie pocket, bro.
Do it matter?
I'm asking, yeah.
Bro, you're not about to check me, bro.
I'm asking.
What's your badge number?
4845.
All right, and if you plan on searching me and violating my rights,
I'm not asking. I'm just asking a single question.
You don't have the right to ask me what's in my pocket.
I can ask. Yeah,
Does my pocket look like it's a weapon in it?
It's kind of L-shaped, yeah.
Man, come on now, stop.
Looks like a revolver, possibly.
That's why I just did this. So the camera see, bro. I ain't talking.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I help her. I'll search this motherfucker.
This bitch clean as hell. Ain't nothing in it. Y'all wasting y'all time.
Cleanest car I've ever seen. Bro.
Thank you.
My detailed car.
We working, man. We work, brother.
Good for you.
Yeah, good for y'all.
I just tried to buy myself something nice. Shit, this motherfucker cost $400 for insurance.
My man just pumped our gas. We can't even help the white man now around this motherfucker. They tripping.
You represent your profession well. Your car is very detailed. I appreciate it.
Crazy ass traffic stop. For real, we ain't go nowhere. It's a crazy ass traffic stop, boy. I got enough footage in this motherfucker, boy. I get Detroit for some cheese. I was so tired of these motherfuckers. Y'all, hey man, this the same car. Y'all pull up all the fucking time, man. Damn, I ain't got no lighter, man. See, y'all done fucked up my goddamn light, man. Oh, no, I got one. Look at that.
I get not being able to afford insurance. I get it. I just got to double check. I appreciate that you weren't able to pay your insurance. Okay. Just do me a favor. If you're going to be on the roadway, let's get that insurance taken care of, okay? All right. You guys are all set, free to go, okay, guys?
Thank you.
Y'all have a good night, man. I gotta get the car number, bro.
Hey, and it's back in this motherfucker.
In the realm of interaction with law enforcement, it's paramount to understand that the mere act of being questioned by the police doesn't, in itself, transgress the boundaries of legality. The crux of the matter lies not in the questioning, but in the response or the lack thereof. It's not uncommon for officers of the law to employ tactics that could be perceived as deceptive or coercive, with the implicit or explicit suggestion that noncompliance might lead one directly into the confines of a jail cell. Now, there's a profound difference between compliance born out of coercion and that which stems from an informed understanding of one's rights. Without this knowledge, one might as well be paving their way to incarceration with nothing more than the words they mistakenly believe they're obligated to provide. It's a peculiar spectacle, really, when individuals immediately leap to the defense of their rights upon being asked something as basic as their name, proclaiming rather prematurely that their rights are under siege. However, this is not necessarily the case. It's a nuanced dance of understanding what your fundamental rights are, coupled with a dash of constitutional knowledge. This doesn't mean you should err on the side of confrontation when documenting police activity. Far from it. In this video, the cops searched the vehicle but didn't find anything. We don't know why the driver gave the cops permission to search the vehicle, but the passenger knew to pull out the phone to record. That's exactly what you should be doing. Riding clean and recording police. But don't give cops permission to search. At the end of the video, the cop told the man to get insurance, so it's possible the man complied because he was afraid he'd get towed if he didn't. Always record the police for transparency and accountability. If you do and you'd like us to feature your video, copy your link and paste them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Give us as much information as possible, names, badge numbers, city, and department. Have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.